Hi there, Eric Chappell, Community Evangelist for InfraWorks 360, and in this video we're going to take our preliminary engineering in InfraWorks 360 and move it into Civil 3D for detailed design and documentation. So fortunately for us, in Civil 3D 2016, opening InfraWorks data in the Civil 3D environment is actually quite easy. There's a command designed for it. If I go to the Insert ribbon, I'll see an InfraWorks 360 button, and that actually folds out into two commands. One will actually open a model, and the second one allows you to configure the settings that are involved when the data from InfraWorks 360 is brought into Civil 3D. So let's look at that configuration part first. I'll open that command, and the first thing I'll tell you is that you can take all the settings that you modify in this dialog and save them. And I've done that, so I'm actually going to open the file that I created, and I've called that file Roads and Drainage. Now right off the bat you'll notice some changes here with these checkboxes when I open this file. Notice that I'm only bringing in design roads and drainage networks with this whole list of things that I can possibly bring in. Now on the right side is where I can configure specific things that happen as those objects are being brought in. So let's take a look at alignments first, and we'll notice that I'm bringing my alignments in with a style proposed and with this label set. You can also tell it which layer to put your alignments on. And then we've also got another section for alignments and profiles. So not only can I control the style of the alignments, I can also control the styles and layers of the profiles, both design and existing. So now we'll move down to pipe networks. So if I go to that dialog, you'll see that I can choose which pipe catalog I'm going to use, as well as some default pipes and structures. So that sets up all of our configurations for the objects that we're bringing in. So now we're ready to bring in the data. So I'll launch the Open InfraWorks 360 Model command, and that's going to bring up this dialog. First thing I need to do is select the SQLite file that represents my model, and this is called Apple Springs 2 in this case. So I'll click that and pick Open. Civil 3D is going to think about that file for a while. Notice that it picked up the coordinate system that it's in. Next, I get to choose the